Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you ship internationally and want automated duties and taxes, Easyship is a powerful solution. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of them steps needed to actually connect Shopify to Easyship in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, we have basically to open your device and go look for Shopify in the search bar. Open the website and log in using your email address and password. After this, your admin panel will be looking like this. So we can basically go from now and look for this app section. Tap on it, then go into Shopify App Store. We're gonna go all the way here to look for Easyship. Easyship app. Then tap on enter. You're gonna see Easyship all-in-one shipping. Check this app, install it, give it all of the permissions needed, sign up or even log in into your Easyship account, connect it to Shopify store, authorize the basically options and every other permission, then sync your products and orders. Easyship will import your store data automatically, so don't really worry. Then set your shipping rules. Configure your rules for domestic and even international orders. Enable the duties and taxes, choose whether customers or you pay import fees, then test the checkout rates. You can also preview a small shipping rates at the checkout if you need to. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.